Concrete. It's more than just a mix of materials, it's the foundation of our modern world. It's the backbone of bridges, buildings and sidewalks. Without it, our cities wouldn't stand tall and our roads wouldn't be as durable. But this stuff isn't just a simple mix of rocks and water. It's a carefully crafted blend that requires precision and expertise. Getting that perfect pour takes skill, know-how and a little test called the slump test. This test is crucial in ensuring the right consistency. Think of it as checking the consistency of your concrete before it takes a permanent nap. It's like a chef tasting their dish before serving it. Too runny? You'll end up with a weak foundation. This can lead to cracks and structural failures over time. Too stiff? Good luck spreading that out evenly. It becomes a nightmare to work with and can cause uneven surfaces. The slump test helps us find that sweet spot concrete that's smooth, pourable and strong enough to last. It's the key to a durable and long-lasting structure. We're talking about the difference between a sidewalk that cracks in a year and one that survives generations of kids on bikes. It's all about getting that mix just right. So next time you walk on concrete, remember there's a whole lot of science and a little bit of sweat behind that solid ground. It's a testament to human ingenuity and hard work. The slump test tells us how much water is in our concrete mix. Sounds simple, right? But there's more to it than meets the eye. Getting that water to cement ratio right is crucial for the strength and durability of the concrete. Too much water weakens the concrete, making it prone to cracks and structural failures. Too little water, and it becomes impossible to work with, leading to a mix that's too stiff and unmanageable. We're talking back-breaking labor trying to spread concrete that's thicker than peanut butter. Imagine trying to spread that on a piece of bread. The slump test gives us a quick and dirty way to make sure our mix is just right. It's a simple yet effective method. It's like dipping a toe in the pool to check the temperature before you cannonball in. You want to make sure everything is perfect before you dive in. You're aiming for that Goldilocks zone, not too wet, not too dry, just the perfect consistency for a strong, durable concrete mix. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy lab coat for this test. We're talking about some pretty basic tools you can find in any concrete worker's arsenal. First, you'll need a slump cone. Imagine a metal bucket shaped like a traffic cone. That's your slump cone. Next up, a tamping rod. It's basically a metal rod used to compact the concrete inside the cone. And finally, a trusty measuring tape, because in the world of concrete, precision is key. Section 4, step by step, the slump test shuffle. First things first, dampen your slump cone thoroughly with water to ensure it doesn't stick to the concrete. Then, place it on a flat, firm surface to get accurate results. Now grab your concrete mix and fill the cone in 3 layers, each about 1/3 full. This layering is crucial for a consistent test. After each layer, tamp it down with your rod 25 times. This helps to remove any air pockets and ensures the concrete is compact. Make sure those tamps are evenly distributed across the surface of the concrete to maintain uniformity. Once you've filled and tamped the cone, carefully lift it straight up without any sideways movement to avoid disturbing the concrete. This is the moment of truth, folks. Watch closely as the concrete begins to slump. The concrete will slump down, hence the name slump test. The way it slumps can tell you a lot about its consistency and workability. Measure the distance from the top of the cone to the top of the slumped concrete. This measurement is crucial for determining the quality of your mix. That, my friends, is your slump. A good slump test can ensure your concrete mix is just right for the job. Section 5, deciphering the droop. What's your slump saying? So, you've got your slump measurement. Now what? Well, the ideal slump depends on the job at hand. For most concrete work, a slump of 3 to 5 inches is the sweet spot. This means the concrete is workable but not too runny. A slump of less than 2 inches means your mix is dry. Good luck getting that into tight spaces. On the flip side, a slump of more than 6 inches means it's too wet and might be weak. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Section 6, nailed it, the importance of a good slump. Mastering the slump test is all about understanding how to control your concrete. It's about knowing that the work you do today, from sidewalks to skyscrapers, will stand the test of time. So the next time you see a concrete worker performing this seemingly simple test, remember, they're not just playing in the mud. They're ensuring quality, durability, and a job well done. Because in the world of concrete, a good slump is the foundation for success.